Students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Today, let us continue the lesson, the tsunami. In our previous session, we came to know that before the tsunami hit, the animals, they ran to the safety places. They fled away to the safety places. And about that, two arguments are there. Some people they argue that animals possess sixth sense. That's why they understood or they came to know about the upcoming danger. And another argument, some experts they argue that animals have acute means strong hearing ability. That ability helped them to come to know about the upcoming danger. By the help of that ability, they were able to sense the vibration of the earth and they were able to save their lives. Like that, two different arguments are there. Now let us continue the lesson. Along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished, buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to variety of animals including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangal beach inside the park. But no animal carcasses were found except for two water buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed three elephants running away from the Patanangal beach. See, along India's Cuddalore coast, where thousands of people perished. Along the Cuddalore coast, thousands of people perished. Perished means died. Okay. Means they were swept away by the waves of tsunami. Buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. See here, thousands of people they were perished, but buffaloes, goats, and dogs were found unharmed. They did not get any trouble. They were able to save their lives. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to variety of animals including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangal beach inside the park. Nearby that Patanangal beach, there was a park, Yala National Park in Sri Lanka. And that park was home for variety of animals including elephants, leopards, and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Patanangal beach inside the park. Their dead bodies were found inside the park. But no animal carcasses were found except for two water buffaloes. But animals carcasses were not found there except two water buffaloes. Only two buffaloes carcasses. Carcass means the body of a dead animal. Only two dead bodies of the animals were found, and about an hour before the tsunami hit, people at Yala National Park had observed three elephants running away from Patanangal beach. Before the tsunami hit only, some people observed that people at Yala National Park observed that elephants were running away from Patanangal beach. They were running away from Patanangal beach. because they sensed the upcoming danger. In order to save their lives, they were running to the safety place. Some people observed that one. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle said his two dogs would not go for their daily run on the beach. They were usually excited to go on this outing, he said. See here, a Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galle. Galle, it is a place in Sri Lanka, said his two dogs would go for their daily run on the beach. Every day, his two dogs, they used to go for their run on the beach. Every day, some time they used to spend running on the beach. But that day, they were not ready to go out. They are usually excited to go on this outing. Actually, every day they used to be very excited to go for that running on the beach. But that day they were refused to go. See that. But on that day they refused to go. They were not ready to go out of the house. They refused to go out. And most probably saved his life. In this way, those dogs not only saved the lives of themselves, along with that, they saved the life of their owner also. Okay, they saved the life of that Sri Lankan gentleman. Like this, we can see animals, they were able to save their lives. They were not swept away by the tsunami waves. Compared to the loss of human beings' lives, their loss of their lives was lesser. By this, we can understand animals have some special ability to sense the upcoming danger, and when they sense danger, they try to save their lives by going towards the safety place. With this, we have completed this lesson. Let us see the comprehension check and working with the text part in the next session. Thank you for watching video.